Hello! Okay, you guys, so today is Thursday, April 2nd, and we will be correcting Lesson 12. Lesson 12, and I believe I might have messed up the dates on these. Alright, so it is April 2nd, and we are correcting Lesson 12. Okay? Let's begin. The first sentence is, I like cookies. I like cookies. So, we're going to make our cross, okay? And the subject of the sentence is I. I is the subject, okay? I is our subject. Like is our verb. Now, remember that we are doing direct objects, okay? So what does like transfer to? Like transfers to cookies. Answer the question, what do you like? You like cookies. So, we take this one and we make our line that doesn't go all the way through. It goes like that. And cookies is our direct object. So the full sentence, I like cookies. I is the subject. Like is the verb. Cookies is your direct object, which is a noun. It answers the question, what do you like? You like cookies. Good. Number 2. The kids in my classroom. The kids in my classroom. The kids in my classroom signed a birthday card for Kristen. Signed a birthday card for Kristen. The kids in my classroom signed a birthday card for Kristen. So, like we always begin, we have our cross. And we find the subject. The subject in this is kids. Okay, what do the kids do? They signed a birthday card. So kids is the subject. Okay, and the verb is signed. The verb is signed. Now, remember that we're doing direct objects. What did they sign? What did the kids sign? They signed a card. Card is our direct object. What did they sign? They signed a card. Okay? The is an adjective modifying kids. Remember, the's always an adjective, so it's modifying kids, though. Which kids? The kids. Okay? In my classroom is an adjective, is acting as an adjective, as a prepositional phrase. In my classroom. And it is modifying kids. Okay? The kids in the classroom. So, our preposition is in. goes under kids because that's who it's modifying. Okay. Classroom is the object of the preposition. Oh, this is going to get... move this. Okay, the object of the preposition is classroom. And my is an adjective. Which classroom? My classroom. It's the adjective in the prepositional phrase. Now, I wonder... doesn't make much space, now does it? Okay, so in my classroom is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective modifying kids. Now, a is always an adjective, and it answers the question, which card? A card. A card, so it's modifying card. It's an adjective modifying card. Birthday, what type of card is it? It's a birthday card, okay? It's acting as an adjective. Birthday is an adjective modifying the direct object, which is a noun, card, a birthday card. And then, for Kristen is a prepositional phrase. For is the preposition. And Kristen is the object of the preposition. Take a look at that. Okay. Oh, let's see if I can make that fit a little better, but that's what it, so for and Kristen. Okay. Good. Probably can move all this over. So if you can make that, oh, try not to make a mess of it. There we go, that'll look nicer. There we go. So kids is our subject, signed is our verb, card is the direct object, okay, acting as a noun. The is an adjective modifying kids. In my classroom is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective modifying kids. In is the preposition. Classroom is the object of the preposition. My is an adjective modifying classroom. Card, being our direct object, is acting as a noun. That is a noun job. A is an adjective modifying card. Birthday is an adjective modifying card. For Kristen is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective modifying card. For is the preposition. Kristen is the object of the preposition. Next, number 3. Our sentences. The brown cat scratched the oak tree. The brown cat scratched the oak tree. Again, always make your cross. And then we find the subject. What's the subject of the sentence? The subject of the sentence is cat. What is the verb? The verb is scratched. What did the cat do? It scratched. Okay. Now, what did it scratch? What does scratch transfer to? It transfers to tree. That is our direct object. Okay. What was the cat scratching? It was scratching the tree. Good. Now, the is an adjective, always an adjective. The, a, and are always adjectives. And the is modifying the subject cat, which is a noun job. So the cat. Again, brown is an adjective modifying cat. Which cat? The brown cat. Remember to practice your adjective questions and your adverb questions. Okay. So, the oak are that's two adjectives. The is an adjective modifying tree. Which tree? The tree. Which tree? The oak tree. So oak is also an adjective modifying tree. Good. So the and brown are adjectives modifying the subject cat. The and oak are adjectives modifying the direct object tree. These are both nouns. Subject and direct objects are noun jobs. Cat is our subject, scratched is our verb, tree is our direct object. The is an adjective modifying cat. Brown is an adjective modifying cat. The is an adjective modifying tree. Oak is an adjective modifying tree. Good. Let's go on to the next one. Our next sentence, number 4. The kids on the soccer team won the game. The kids on the soccer team won the game. The kids on the soccer team won the game. Okay. So, what is the subject of this sentence? The subject of the sentence is kids. Kids, the subject of our sentence. Good. What did the kids do? They won. They won the game. Won is our verb. And what is the verb? So, what is the verb transferring to? Okay? What did they win? They won the game. So, our direct object is game. Game is the direct object in this sentence. The is an adjective, and what is it modifying? It is modifying kids. Okay. On the soccer team is a prepositional phrase, right? And it's acting as an adjective. It's talking about the kids on the soccer team. So, on is the preposition. Get this down here. On is the preposition. And then team is the object of the preposition. Okay. The is always an adjective, and it is modifying the object of the preposition, which is team. Which team? The team. And soccer is also answering that which team? Which team? The soccer team. Okay. So those both are adjectives. And what do we have left? Game. And game is an adjective. The. What's left is the. And the is an adjective. And it is modifying the word game. Which game? The game. Okay. So, kids is our subject. One is the verb. Game is the direct object. The is an adjective modifying kids. On the soccer team is a prepositional phrase. The preposition is on. The object of the preposition is team. The and soccer are both adjectives modifying team. Okay? Game is the direct object. It's what they won. Okay? One transfers the game. What did they win? They won the game. The is an adjective modifying game. And the last question, number 5. We happily watched the movie. We happily watched the movie. So, we gotta find what the subject of the sentence is. The subject of the sentence is we. Subject of the sentence is we. Okay. And what did we do? Well, we watched the movie. That'll be our verb. What are they doing? They're watching the movie. Now, what does the verb transfer to? What are they watching? Transfers to movie, making that the direct object of the sentence. Movie. Let's hold that on accident. Okay, movie is the direct object. Now, what do we have left? Happily. How did you watch the movie? It's an adverb. It modifies the verb watched. How did you watch the movie? I watched the movie happily. Oh, pardon me. I don't know what is going on here. Happily. So how did you watch the movie? I watched it happily. It's an adverb. Sorry about that. You guys don't know why this is giving me so much trouble. Alright, and the is an adjective modifying movie. What movie or which movie? The movie. Good. We happily watched the movie. We is the subject. Watched is your verb. Movie is your direct object. Happily modifies watched and is an adverb. The modifies movie and is an adjective. Alright, you guys, I will be sending you another video at the end of this for your work on your book, your standout book. So I'll send you this and that one, and I hope your day goes well. See you guys soon.